Today, I want to talk to you about money do's and don'ts. So, if you want a better financial life, I want you to check out this video. So, go ahead, tap in, let's get into it. Money makes the world go round. So, the more you understand about finances, the better off your life will be. Today, I want you to take charge of your financial future and watch your life change for the better. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the first don't. The first don't that I want to talk to you about today is that don't put off investing or saving. Listen, I was reading several reports, and one of the reports that I've read is that if you put off investing, you can lose up to 68% of possible wealth gain over the next 20 years versus somebody that starts investing today. Another report that I read is that if you start investing at the age of 25 versus the age of 35, those two individuals, the one that started at 25 will have double the savings once they reach the age of 65 versus the person that started at the age of 35. Why am I talking to you about these stats? Because it's important for you to know that the longer that you put off investing and saving, the further behind you're going to be in the long run. And so, what do I want you to do in this particular scenario? Just start investing today. The best time to invest is today. The best time to start investing is today. And I want to encourage you in this. A lot of people think that you need a whole lot of money to get started, and that's just simply not the truth. You can start with a few $100s. You can even start if you're real good at saving, you can start with several $1,000s, whatever the case may be. But my point is just start investing and saving today because you're going to be better for it in the long run if you start today rather than putting it off. So the first note that I wanted to give to you today is that don't put off investing or saving because that's going to hold back your financial life that you want to have, and start doing it today. Have you already started investing and saving as of today after listening to that? If you have, I'd like to know your thoughts down in the comment section. What do you think about that? Do you think you should start investing today, or do you think it's all right to keep putting it off? Let's start a conversation down in the comments. And while you're doing that, I would like for you to go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and start sharing, go ahead and subscribe or follow. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time we drop a new video. We appreciate you guys' engagement in advance. Now, let me go ahead and give you another don't so that you can get a better financial life. The next don't I want to bring to your attention is that I don't want you to buy things just because they're on sale. Listen, I did some more research and I found a couple of more studies, and one of the studies said that in 68% of the people that they did a poll on admitted that they will spend money on things that they don't need just because it's a sale going on. Isn't that interesting? And then I found in another study that people are basically drawn to sales even when it's going to cause them to overspend. So when I did that research and thought about it just a little bit, it was more so a psychological thing, thinking that they need what's on sale versus them actually needing it. You understand what I'm saying? And so I don't want you to think that I'm talking bad about sales, because I think sales are great, but I just don't want you to have the sale be the reason why you buy. Let the need dictate you going to buy something. So what would I like for you to do? I would like for you to, when you need something, then look for the sale. Don't let the sale be the reason that you go and purchase something. All right. Let the need dictate your buy rather than the sale dictate your buy. Because if the sale dictates your buy, then you can find yourself overspending and buying things that you don't need and spending money unnecessarily when you could have kept that money. But if you actually need something, then you can go find a sale for that particular thing that you need and then save money, and then it will benefit you in the long run. So don't buy things just because they're on sale. So, what do you think about those do's and don'ts? Do you think they were good? Do you think they were beneficial? I'd like to know your thoughts down in the comment section. Let's start a conversation about what you think about what was shared today. All right. We appreciate it in advance. And if you would like some personalized help with your individual finances, I have a coaching call set up how you can make $10,000 a month minimum. And I would like for you to become a part of that coaching call if you need that personalized help. So all you have to do is check the links in the comments and check the links in the description for the coaching call, how to make $10,000 a month at a minimum. All right. We appreciate you guys so much for checking out this video today. We appreciate you guys for always rocking with us. We appreciate your engagement with this video, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.